Hey guys, so today I found out a really cool update. They have updated mermaids to Fashion Famous. Mermaids, guys. Mermaids. That is amazing. So we're going to be playing this amazing game today. And, oh, the login reward. Yeah, sure, let's join. What should I wear? I wear this. Cool. Now, worry about color later. Let's get me my mermaid tail. It's right over here. And you gotta click on it. And I am gonna go for a Mao theme. What would Mao look like if she had a tail? Probably had a purple tail. With that. And now to go get a hat. Well, actually, first I need hair. Now, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get me a face. Let's see here. Let's go for that one. There we go. That did not. Okay, come on, guys. Give me a hat on. Oh. Go to the hat section. Fast, fast, fast. No! Oh, I was gonna go get horns. Oh well. Well, time to do a little bit of updating. Okay, here we are. I don't see a hat, but yet again, I didn't get a hat on. So, I'll give you 3. I'm thinking. Oh, that is an amazing hat. That's it. Unfortunately, you don't have enough time to get going. I'll give you a 1 star. Okay, I cannot wait till it's my turn. So let's just keep watching this. Ooh, actually goes and tried to copy me. Well, I like the little drama in this thing. Really interesting. Okay, and what is the next? Ooh, I like this girl's outfit. I'll give you 4 stars. I don't know how time I got in late. Commercial time. Second place. Second place. Oh, look, I'm a pro model. I just realized that. I just saw a picture of Ariel on that. I'm gonna be watching this video a lot. Oh. Man, animation's almost over. Be a mermaid. Fashion fame. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Wardrobe malfunction. Okay. Let's go. Wardrobe malfunction. Let's get me a purple outfit. Ooh, that's perfect. There we go. Now, let's go get this mermaid tail, and hopefully this will work. Actually, let's get our hair first. What would Mal wear? Maybe she just woke up, and so she has a ponytail outfit. Sure, let's go with that. How about purple hair? Okay, let's go get ourselves a mermaid tail.
Well, if you don't, you're gonna get us caught.
Stay low key, just not by me.
Like this?
Get ourselves a mermaid tail.
Oh yeah, I think I got this. Let's go. I'm ready to rock this.
It's working. Okay, now we go get ourselves a face. I'm almost... Okay, so let's get this face. Let's see if we got it. Let's go get a hat. Okay, let's go get ourselves horns. Oh, that would look cute. Or shall we get a crown? That would look amazing. Let's just see what we
The
have.
power of one loving intervention
Before we choose.
is really enough to change a person's total life. I came from an alcoholic
I
home
think
and
I
an
will
abusive home.
choose.
I was 14 years old when I was accepted by 2 school teachers. Stability was the thing that
was given to me.
One of the things that I think that makes the villages stand out is our commitment to a
Yes,
single
that
home
looks
for
good.
every child that
Okay,
we
let's go see
serve.
what's over
85%
here.
of them are in only one family at the villages, and that presents a sense of stability and permanency that really
I think
defines
I'm
what
good.
most of the public thinks about the child welfare system.
A lot of times when the villagers calls me for a child,
I'm
they spend a
so
lot of
ready
time
for
talking
this.
about the issue, doing research,
Let's
asking
go
people,
win.
asking questions. Because once a child gets into your house, you want to minimize yourself.
I don't think this girl has a malfunctioning wardrobe. That's too good to be.
I was
Yeah.
the beneficiary of that.
Ooh.
As the years go by, I realized how important that is.
Hair doesn't really match the outfit, but overall, really good.
Of that one love.
Purple is a good color.
Time in my life when I needed
Just not maybe
stability, needed love,
that
needed
color.
discipline. But
Can I paint
without
for purple?
them,
I can't say every child, but I certainly
That
can have
looks
a
pretty
significant
good.
impact on them.
Let's skip this ad. That's totally a wardrobe malfunction right there. Mia Straw. Oh, it's me, everyone. Oh, 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 me, yay! Aww. Oh well. Hey, at least I'm in fourth place. Oh, so that was our short show for today. Oh, sorry, that's too funny. We're gonna have to end this video here right now today. Please subscribe, press the like button if you enjoyed it, and I will be making videos on Roblox all the time. Sometimes it's on Royal High. Sometimes I'll be playing the Obby game, Paradise Obby, I believe it was called, or I will be playing this game. But no matter what, if you guys tell me that you sent a friend request to me, I will friend you for right now. The category is I look fabulous, but I do look fabulous, but I will not be attending this thing. So let's just exit out of this. So yeah, please subscribe and try to join me in the games. I really hope you enjoyed watching me explore the new Mermaid Tales. Ooh, and there's size options? Cool. 3D clothing, mermaid faces and she cell tops. New pets for adoption, new color change menu, new underwater categories added. Cool. And it also has a lot of other things to visit. Please visit those if you have time. And we're going to end this video here. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.